Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you an easy simple open work stitch. It has a sleek and tidy look and is medium transparent. The pattern has 3 loops and 4 rows. We start from the right side. Row 1 right side, after the edge loops, this row's repeat pattern is: first yarn over loop, knit 3 together through the back. Pick up the first yarn over loop with the left hook. Make a second yarn over on the right hook, pass 2 loops through the first yarn over loop, and drop it. Again. Yarn over, knit 3 together. Pick up the first yarn over loop, yarn over, pass 2 loops, and drop the first yarn over. Row 2 wrong side, after the edge loops, this row's repeat pattern is: purl 1, yarn over, purl 1. Purl 1, yarn over, purl 1. Row 3 right side, after the edge loops, this row's repeat pattern is: pick up with the right hook brooch in front of the 3 stitches, knit 3, and pass them through the brooch. Again. Pick up the brooch, knit 3, and pass them through the brooch. Row 4 wrong side, here things get easier. After the edge loops, purl all the stitches from the beginning to the end of the row. I've given you this simple and charming open work. This is a beginner-friendly knitting pattern. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.